Alright, hi guys. This is another video from the pink packet that I would like you to follow along to and then finish up on your own and check with the key on Schoology while everybody else is taking their fall growth assessments. Alright, so the linear equation blank is written in blank form where blank is the slope and blank is the y-intercept. Alright, so this is going to be the linear equation y equals mx plus b. Can write that a little bit better. It's written in slope intercept form where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. We can use this information to graph a line. You want to make sure the equation is in, make this a little bit thicker, slope intercept form. Right? You want to graph the y-intercept. It's a really easy point to start with because you know, all right, when x is 0, then my y is going to be, I know like vertically where I'm starting at, and then it'll help me like go from there. All right, so use the slope to locate another point or two, and then you need to connect the points. If applicable, include arrows on the ends. All right, so I'm going to do graph 1 and graph 2, and then you're going to do 3, 4, 5, and 6, and you're going to check with the key on Schoology. All right, so for graph 1, I know my slope is -3, and my intercept is -2. All right, so in -2 is where I'm going to start. Right, and then I honestly like to just make like a quick little table if I have a little bit of space. All right, so I already have when x is 0, so I'm going to do 1 and 2 to get like a couple extra points. All right, so if I plug in 1 here, all right, so that's -3 minus 2 is -5. And then if I evaluate it at 2, I get -3 times 2 minus 2, which is, sorry, my mind is blinking. -6 minus 2 is -8. Right, so right, I'm going to find 1, go down to, let me put it in my chart here. My table, sorry that 5 is terrible. Right, so 1, -5, and then 2, -8. So I know every time I move right to the right once, I'm moving down 3. All right, so I can also do that to just get my other point. So, right, going backwards. Left once, 1, 2, 3. Left, 1, 2, oh, 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Alright, and that's pretty much the points I'm gonna draw. Ooh, that looks terrible. And then I'm just gonna slide mine down just a little bit, so it goes through all my points. I know that might not look the best, but that should give you the gist of kind of what we're doing here. All right, so now we're gonna do number 2. So for this one, I know my slope, or M, is 1/3, and then my B, or y-intercept, is 5. So I know that every time I'm going over 3 spots, well, moving horizontally 3 times, I'm going up once. All right, so if I know starting at 5, I'm gonna go over 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then up 1. Right, 1, 2, 3, and then up 1. 1, 2, 3, and then hopefully this line is pretty good. It might not be the greatest, but we're gonna try. All right. That is what your slope should look like. And then I also want to note slope is positive because M is greater than 0, but the slope is also what? That's right, getting flatter because it's less than 1. All right, and then this other one over here, the slope was negative. All right, so hopefully that helps you out. You should be able to do these 4 down here. The key will be posted on Schoology, and you can just let me know if you have any questions. All right, I'll see you later.